doing, peeps? Morning. It is time for me to start to get ready to leave this campsite, but I am so tired from my impromptu like 6-hour journey last night to go get my meds, and then to then try to get to this is it, it's not getting any better, to try to go get my mail. And it's one thing to like need to get your mail forwarded, but I don't get my mail forwarded a lot, and the reason I need it is because it has my new license plates in it. And so my plates are currently expired, but in the beginning of this Vlogmas, I renewed the tags, but South Dakota was like, scammer, you haven't bought new actual like physical plates in so long that now you have to buy new plates. I needed to get them, so when I get the new car, I know what number, like plate number, to transfer those plates to, since I'm not buying new plates again. I just bought them. So I needed my plates because it's like a new number. Like the plates aren't the same. It's like a different design and everything. I don't know. South Dakota like rebranded their license plates, I guess. And now I have ugly new ones, which sucks, but whatever. My other ones were ugly too. But anyways, I'm about to make some coffee. Pippa's coming in. Oh, hi. Hi, sweet lady. Good morning. Are you ready to get going today? Are we gonna get going? It's only like a 2.5 hour drive to the campground that I'm staying at, but in California, I don't know if you guys know this or if it's common knowledge or whatever, it's like this in some states but not everywhere. You can't drive over 55 miles an hour when you're towing legally, if I'm following the speed limit and the rules. And since my plates are expired, I try to follow the rules, even though I have the paperwork. We all know getting pulled over is just like such a pain in the butt. So you can't drive over 55 miles an hour while towing in California. So obviously the GPS that I have doesn't know that, and so I have to plan for the trip to take a little bit longer. It'll probably take like closer to 4 hours. If I also don't run into any traffic, because obviously I'm going closer to the coast since I'm going down to San Diego / Oceanside. And so there's just more traffic obviously as you get over there. That's just how it works. So it's gonna be like a longer day, but I'm gonna try to leave here in like an hour-ish, so I can check in like right at check-in, so then I have enough time to park the trailer, get Pippa set up so I can run down and see one of the cars, because I want to go see it this afternoon in case it's the one that like I'm really crossing my fingers on. I talked to the guy yesterday and like, you know, we ran through some specs on some stuff that I needed to know, and so I was like, hey, can I come see it tomorrow afternoon? So I'm hoping if I like put a deposit down tonight or like buy it tonight, they can let me leave it there to pick it up tomorrow morning, so I can get my car into storage. Work something out on that one, because I'm guessing, I mean, who's gonna say no to that? Because if I don't get there till like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and they close at like 6, yeah, you can kind of like rush the buying process, since I'm going to be paying in cash. Like, we don't have to like apply for financing or anything, so all of that can go through really quickly. But if I'm just like, hey, yeah, can I just pick it up in the morning, I'm guessing they're going to want to get out, instead of me being like, well, I have to run down to this storage place and park my car and wait for, you know, me to come back up and grab it. I'm guessing they're gonna be like, no, I want to leave for the night. Yeah, just come get it in the morning when we open. So I'm hoping that's the case, and then I have a new car today, tomorrow, who knows. And then I can get all this storage figured out from my boyfriend's sister. And yeah, I think it'll be a good day. hopefully it'll be good. Anyways, I'm gonna make coffee and get on the road, and I'll check in with you guys later. Hello, update. We are in the car. Pippa is mad because she got in trouble because she got into a bunch of stuff while I was in the store. I felt really bad because I couldn't take her into Petco. It's her favorite thing, if you guys haven't seen that before. But with the dog illness thing going on, I'm not bringing her into places, so I just had to run in and get her dog food on our way out. As you can see, we're hooked up. We're on our way to San Diego, but I lost my train of thought. But I had to stop and get dog food, so then I don't have to get it tonight after everything's going on, because I don't know how the rest of this evening is going to go. So this is the dog food that Pippa eats. She's probably been on that dog food for, I don't know, like a year and a half now. I don't know how long she's been on it. And then I got two other things. I'll just show you. This is the bowl Pippa uses. This is like $10. It's like a no spill silicone bowl. It's super easy to clean because you can flip it inside out and just scrub it. This is the only one that I found that actually is pretty close to no spill. And they only sell it at Petco. I've never been able to find another one, so go for it. I just got another one for the car. She has one inside the camper. But I've been using like a cheap, just like clearance, like TJ Maxx bowl. Look how gross it is. For when we're in the car, but obviously it sloshes around and spills everywhere, so I got another one of these so she can have water in the back when we're driving. And then I got pet corrector. I know this is controversial for some people, but it's just air. It's not like pepper spray or anything. But I've been meaning to get another one of these to take when I'm on white walks and stuff, or have when I'm boondocking, because it's just air basically that you spray that like scares dogs, like if they are getting aggressive. It's like, I'm sure there's some people who use it for like training and stuff, but that's not what I'm using it for. I want to have it for dogs that are off leash when I'm boondocking, because I've just had so many incidents of strange dogs running up to us that I'd like to have that, so I at least have time to pick up Pippa or something if another dog runs up. And yeah, since she got attacked, I wish I would have had something like that to get the dog to like shock, you know, like it would be like if someone sprayed air in your face. Like, it's not a good feeling, so it like, you know, stuns the dog a little bit and like surprises them, so you can like get in there and correct the behavior, or like grab the dog, or like do whatever you need to do. So I'm gonna have that for the camper now that we're back boondocking again, and 'tis the season for, you know, all of the nomads pretty much being concentrated in the southeast and southwest. So lots of dogs off leash around this time, and have something extra precaution. Obviously, I mean, I guess it could work on other animals like a coyote or something, but generally 99.9999999% of the problems I ever have is with other people's off-leash dogs. It's not with wildlife. So yeah, so I'm gonna go run and go to the bathroom in the camper, and then we're gonna get on the road because it's like 11 now and check-in's at 2, so we should get there right around when we can check in. I'll see you then.